Hello, this is Karim Hasnani. Let's talk about the Mcclelland acquired needs theory. Mcclelland acquired needs theory, also known as learned needs, is motivational model developed by the David Mcclelland, which suggests that people are motivated differently based on their specific needs they have acquired over time through life experience. According to the theory, individual primary motivators can be classified into three categories: achievement needs, affiliation needs, and the power needs. A human-oriented individual possesses an intrinsic design for the success. These type of people thrive when given responsibility and measurable goals. They enjoy activities where their performance can be evaluated objectively against some standard or challenging benchmarks. Affiliative person seeks a harmonious relationship with others within social contexts such as a work group or team like clubhouse. These kind of persons place more emphasis on comprehension than competition to achieve their goals, often seeking out friendship rather than individual achievement. Such folks may perform better if presented with opportunities wherein collaboration plays a crucial role. Importance because working closely together benefits everyone involved equally without one person gaining much credit at all. Power-seeking employees crave control over the situation around them, whether perform a formal position or a power structure such as a top management role or an informal system regulated unconsciously by the office politics. People high in need of the power look forward to everyone challenges so that they could emerge victorious amidst obstacles, could be a societal norms or a regulation. As a manager, my behavior would be significantly impacted if I were an advocate of a Mcclelland advanced need theory. This theory asserts that individuals have three main acquired needs: achievement, affiliation, and power. If I believe in this theory as a manager, a focus on motivation employees would revolve around these three basic human needs. Firstly, let's talk about the need of achievement, which is defined as having a high standard for oneself to accomplish challenging goals with the visible results so it can be measured, qualified at some level. As such, setting a challenging workplace target will become a paramount, both individual based upon personal goals oriented or objective, but also team based target accomplishment too. Employees who exhibit the strong desire towards achieving their assigned tasks should recover recognized according wills being given opportunities to further develop professionally even beyond those at set initial expectations. Similarly, recognized by the Mcclelland learned needs model are two additional psychological aspects where firstly positive interpersonal relation affiliation, satisfying our social desire, while secondly attainability of control over other, including perceived self-determination within our role, demonstrating increased comprehensive level and exhibiting leadership qualities. Concern not just own advertisement, however, equally supporting shared success through management responsibilities are aimed toward the mutual gain than using tactics like coaching might prove fruitful. Let's talk about the advantages. Increased motivation. Mcclelland theory states that the employee performance is closely related to their motivation needs, and by providing an environment in which these learned can be met, example through the offering rewards of recognition for their reaching goals, managers can be increase employee motivation levels better than building efforts. By understanding the different acquired needs of each individual on team, bosses and supervisors have a better chance of creating a the synergistic work relationship among all members involved because people within similar motivations often understand one another easily and interact well together as a result. Let's talk about the limitations. Some limitations that must take into uh, accounts when used and motivation tool. Incomplete research foundation, one significantly flaws associated with the acquired needs theory is relatively incomplete supporting analysis as effective research depends significantly upon repeatable outcome born out of a study satisfying significant achieved. Across the quantitative measure combined with objective observation using qualitative methods compared with pre-studies, although further evidence has been determined through various means continue analysis procedure ongoing independent David Mcclelland more regions needs affirmative exposure before conclusives may convincingly obtained. To simplistically assumptions, the simplified character parameters determine motive have been criticized, applying significantly little nouns along broader subject matter assessment because often numerous personal dimensions potentially relevant characterize our complex personality structure where categorical outcome assessment might ease explanation, providing opportunity regarding certain statistics. Still, while forgetting about demonstration influence, psychologically configuring difference between each human happening higher, locationizing than initially